In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move scenarios between folders in Make, so you can finally get your automation workspace organized the way you need it. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, open your browser and head over to Make, then sign into your account and make sure you're inside your main workspace. Once you're logged in, click on the Scenarios option from the left navigation menu, and you'll see your full list of scenarios and folders spread out in front of you. Now, take a moment to locate the specific scenario you want to relocate. You can either scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. When you've spotted the right one, look for the three dots or the context menu icon right next to the scenario name. Go ahead and click that to open the Scenario Options menu. From the drop-down that appears, you'll want to select Move to Folder, and a folder selection window will pop up on your screen. At this point, choose the destination folder where you want the scenario to go. This could be something like marketing automations, sales workflows, client projects, or even a testing or sandbox folder if you're still experimenting. Once you've made your choice, click Move, Confirm, or OK to finalize the transfer. The scenario will immediately be relocated, and you can verify this by opening the destination folder and confirming it's now listed inside. If you have multiple scenarios to organize, just repeat this same process for each one. It's a fast way to clean up your workspace. In some layouts, you also have the option to drag and drop. So try clicking and holding a scenario, then dragging it directly into a folder and releasing it to drop it into place. If you want better clarity, consider renaming scenarios before you move them, like changing Email Flow VI1 to Marketing Email Automation. This makes everything much easier to find later. As you organize, keep similar scenarios grouped together by purpose. Think lead generation workflows, reporting automations, or client-specific systems. Make sure your folder structure stays clean and logical, and avoid mixing unrelated automations in the same place. If you're working with a team, let them know where you've moved things, and always test access by opening the moved scenario to ensure it still runs correctly. If you ever can't find a scenario, just use the search bar inside the Scenarios section. Going forward, maintain consistency by following the same folder rules whenever you add new scenarios, and don't forget to clean up any empty or unused folders after you reorganize. Make automatically saves and updates your workspace structure, so no extra save is needed. And that's it. You've successfully moved a scenario between folders in Make, leaving your workspace more organized, easier to navigate, and perfectly structured for efficient automation management. Thanks for watching, and happy building!